Let me show you how we can embed an amazing YouTube feed like this on your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. I'll be demonstrating using the Smash Balloon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. This is the pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. Now let's put the timer on and get started. First, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase the YouTube Feed Pro plugin. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smash Balloon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Next, inside your dashboard, hover over plugins on the left-hand side and click Add New Plugin. After that, click Upload Plugin and upload a zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, just like this. Then click Install Now. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. And once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, YouTube Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started, on the left-hand side, hover over YouTube Feed and click on Settings. Next, paste your license key from your Smash Balloon account inside this box here and click Activate. Once that's done, under YouTube Feed, click All Feeds. At the top, click Add New to get started. And over here, we can see all the different feed types we can create with YouTube Feed Pro. You can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, a feed of videos from any playlist, a feed of videos matching a specific search term, and more below. For this tutorial, let's go with the channel feed type. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. You'll then see this pop up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, click Add API Key, and paste it here like this. Then click Add. And for the next step, we'll have to connect our YouTube channel with the plugin. You can do this by entering your channel handle, channel ID, or channel username. For this demonstration, I'm going to enter the Smash Balloon YouTube handle, just like this, and click Next. And for the last step, we'll have to select the template for the layout of our YouTube feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, and several more. For this demonstration, I'm going to go with the carousel template and click Next. And just like that, we have a new YouTube feed ready to go in just minutes. And since we have some time to spare, let me show you how we can customize the feed before we embed it inside WordPress. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can find several options to customize your YouTube feed. At the top, we have 4 different layout options, such as the carousel, which allows you to swipe through your videos like this. Above that is the list layout, which displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. Next, we have the gallery layout, which displays your latest video in a larger thumbnail, followed by the rest of your videos in a grid layout. And lastly, at the top, we have a grid layout, which displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep it on carousel. And if you look below, you can also customize how many rows you want inside the carousel. Currently, we've only got 1 row, but if you want to modify that, you can change that to 2 rows as well. And instantly, you can see that change made inside the live preview. I'm going to change that back to 1. And at the bottom, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed. Currently, we've got 3 columns, but if you want to modify it, you can enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, if I want to display 2, you can type it in, and instantly you can see that change made inside the live preview. I'm going to change it to 3, and down at the bottom, you can also choose how many videos you want to show inside the feed initially. We're currently showing 9 videos inside the feed, but if you want to modify that, you can enter the number of views you want to display. And if you're happy with the layout of your YouTube feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your YouTube feed, go into the header menu. Inside, you can see that we have 2 different header styles to choose from. Currently, we have the text header selected, which is a minimal header which you can modify down below, and above that, it's a standard header, which displays your YouTube profile picture, channel name, number of subscribers, and the channel bio as well. And if you want to disable the header entirely, you can toggle it off at the top here. And if you've made any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want to moderate the videos you display inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Inside this menu, you can add words or hashtags as filters, so that your feed will display or hide videos containing those words. For example, if I wanted to hide my YouTube Shorts from the feed, I can type in #shorts, and my feed will automatically filter out any video containing #shorts, just like this. And underneath that, you can also enter specific video IDs to hide them manually. And if you've added any filters, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To embed your feed, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click Add. Now inside your WordPress webpage, you have 2 different options to embed your YouTube feed. The first option is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that you copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Feeds for YouTube block like this. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new YouTube feed. It's currently featuring all the latest videos from the YouTube channel we connected, with the thumbnails on display, video name, channel name, and the date that the video was published underneath each video. And since we chose a carousel layout, we can easily swipe through the videos inside our feed like this. And down at the bottom, we also have a subscribe button. When we click on that, that takes us directly to our YouTube channel, making it incredibly easy for your site visitors to subscribe to your YouTube channel. And that's it. We've created, customized, and embedded an amazing YouTube feed on our WordPress website in just 5 minutes. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you're having any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.